happened to the balloon?
It's for parents whose kids have cancer. I know you're doing this. How could you? You never call me back.
Look at his face. Look at him. He can't even walk. Look.
Chase, the cancer is not responding to the chemo. As you can see, the tumor is continuing to grow here along the nerve. We have to remove it now or we risk metastasis. Okay, so what do? He needs outbreak. Now, I've moved some things around and I can get you in this thing.
Yeah.
But he's gonna be okay, right? You're gonna fix it.
Considering the placement and the size of the tumor, surgery of this nature is always very dangerous and potentially life-threatening itself. The surgeons will attempt to be very aggressive. However, if we are not successful in removing the cancer, then unfortunately, we will be out of options.
Where are you going? Connor.
I'm not going to bring up the fact that your surgery is tomorrow. I'm not even thinking about it, so don't worry about it, because I'm not going to bring it up.
Remember the last time we were here?
It was probably
He's still chasing it.
Memory seems really far away.
yeah. I'm here where you live.
More Mattingly.
No, you knew how to pick him. He was dead, I think you knew.
Well, she seems.
She always sucks.
You just always hate my girlfriend.
That's not true. Okay, it is actually, but it's because you always date people who are fucking dickheads, man. You date people Bye. It's fucking cold. And it's only midnight. Dude, let's go far, man. Come on. Now. I have fun with that.
I know you had fun.
Well, you can't see me. Let's do it.
You're drunk.
It works. Take your hat off.
Oh.
Gonna leave this here?
A homeless gentleman will collect it. Oh, fuck.
You drunk?
I'm a little drunk.
You guys should drive?
I would let you drive, but you don't know how to drive. You don't have a license either. That's what's funny.
Might be the last chance.
So you want to drive?
Yeah.
That's what you want to do. That's your make-a-wish? To drive? We could be having sex with hookers while skydiving right now. And instead you want to do something that I learned to do when I was 15? Okay, be careful. Whoa. Let's drive carefully. Don't change my seat adjustment, okay? It's all